How to comment on Instagram story. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. In order to use the comment feature of Instagram, first of all, make sure that your application is updated. Head over to your Play Store and search for Instagram. If it says update, tap on update and update your app. Once you do so, open up your application and get logged into your Instagram account. Now let's go ahead and view any story of your friends. Then here you will see the comment option on your left hand side. You can leave a comment and show friends some love. Let's go ahead and write a comment. You can also comment down emoji. Once you do so, you can tap on this arrow button, and that way you will comment that word and other people will also see what you have commented. And just like so, you can do the same as well. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. Till then, stay updated.